For our poster project, we chose to research how climate change affects wildfires. Why is this an important issue? Wildfires are an important issue because they are currently happening all around us. They are deadly and cause damage on a large scale. Here is a graph of the average wildfire size in the U.S., excluding Alaska, beginning in 1990 to 2017. While there appears to be some discrepancies in certain years, the basic trend of the graph is a positive linear relationship, suggesting that the average wildfire size in the U.S. is increasing.
Different disciplines are used to analyze the effects of climate change, such as climatology, biology, meteorology, and statistics. Climatology analyzes how rising temperature contributes to a drier environment, which makes it easier for wildfires to start and harder to contain. Biology examines how wildfires change the ecosystem, more specifically how wildfires change the affected region's soil, vegetation, and air. Meteorology studies the abnormal changes in weather patterns because of global warming and predicts further effects. Statistics observes climate and wildfire trends to discover a relationship between the two. Statistics is used by each of the other disciplines to examine trends in data such as temperature trends analyzed by scientists in the field of climatology. All disciplines analyze the climate change and wildfire correlation, but each one focuses on different aspects. For example, biology focuses on the ecosystem, statistics focuses on trends and predictions through the models, and meteorology focuses on changes in the atmosphere.
How do these approaches work together? Each of these sciences examine how climate change and wildfires relate from different angles, improving our knowledge as a whole. One discipline can also base its research on another's work. For example, statistics is used widespread across each discipline to examine trends in data such as temperature trends analyzed by climatologists. The progress of one science is used to validate another's findings. The working of scientists in their separate disciplines corroborates the joint conclusion that climate change is a big factor in everyday life that should be considered with urgency. Global temperatures are rising, and rather than denying it, people need to put their best efforts towards combating climate change, or else environmental disasters such as wildfires will only worsen. Here's a graph of the average temperature in California from 1895 to 2018, depicting a clear upward trend in temperatures. As many of us know, California is known for wildfires, and just recently in 2018, parts of California experienced massive devastation due to another wildfire.
Our popular media collection includes videos showing the progress of 2 wildfires and articles discussing the relationship between climate change and wildfires. One of the media journals claims that CO2 released from wildfires worsens the effects of climate change, which leads to more deadly fires and a downward spiral. So far, there has been no research about the claim, so while the article sounds plausible, the conclusion has not been verified. The other articles focused on true events such as wildfires that occurred in Athens, Greece, and Saddleworth Moor, England, recently. These events were accurately depicted through videos and photographs, as well as interviews with evacuees. The media correctly analyzed that climate change created the warm and arid condition that is perfect for uncontrollable wildfires.